Hey guys, welcome to our factory. Today, we are going to know a new crusher. There behind me is hydraulic double roller crusher. It can crush 200 materials. For example, the limestone, the pebbles, and the granite. Okay, let's go over the machine parts. Our new crusher equipped 2 motors and 2 reducers. The grease pump, lubricating the bearings automatically. There is hydraulic cylinder, water cooling arrangement, and a nitrogen accumulator. Okay, we can see the material in light and the double roller skin. That's our hydraulic control cabinet. Our machine enjoys low cost, energy efficient, convenient maintenance, and energy efficient. Okay guys, we are looking forward to your consultation.